Namaste Vidya. I, JVN Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today we are present what is e-commerce, what is the advantage and disadvantage of e-commerce. Then in the previous video we discussed about the what is e-commerce. So in this video we discuss the advantage and the disadvantage of e-commerce. So e-commerce advantage can be broadly classified in three major categories. First, advantage to organization, advantage to consumer, and advantage to society. Now, first we discuss the advantage to the organization. Using e-commerce, organization can expand their market to national and the international market with minimum capital investment. An organization can easily locate more customer, best suppliers, and suitable business partners across the globe. Second, e-commerce help an organization to reduce the cost to create, process, distribute, retrieve, and manage the paper-based information by digitizing the information. Third, e-commerce improve the brand image of the company. E-commerce help organizations to provide better customer services. E-commerce helps to simplify the business process and make them faster and efficient. E-commerce reduces the paperwork. E-commerce increases the productivity of organization. It supports full type supply management. In full type supply management, a business process starts when a request comes from a customer and it uses in time manufacturing way. According to the advantage to the customer, it provides 24 into 7 supports. Customer can inquire about a product or service and place order anytime, anywhere from any location, like your Zomato, like your Swiggy, like your Grofers, and many more other applications. E-commerce application provide user with more operations and quicker delivery of products. E-commerce application provide user with more options to compare and select the cheaper and the better option. A customer can put review comment about a product and can see what others are buying or see the review comment of other customer before making a final purchase, like as your uh, Amazon, Snapdeal. E-commerce provide option of virtual auction. It provides readily available information. A customer can see the relevant detailed information within seconds rather than waiting for days or weeks. E-commerce increases the competition among organizations and as a result, organization provides substantial discount to customer. According to the advantage to society, customer need not travel to shop up products, thus less traffic on road and low air pollution. E-commerce help in reducing the cost of products, so less affluent people can also afford the product. E-commerce has enabled rural areas to access services and products which are otherwise not available to them. E-commerce helps the government to deliver public services such as healthcare, education, social services at a reduced cost and in an improved manner. Now we discuss the disadvantage of e-commerce can broadly classified into two major categories in terms of technical disadvantage and in terms of non-technical advantage. In terms of technical disadvantage, so there can be lack of system security, reliability, or standard owing to poor implementation of e-commerce. The software development industry is still evolving and keep changing rapidly. In many countries, network bandwidth might cause an issue. Special types of web server or other software might be required by the vendor. Setting the e-commerce environment apart from the network server. Sometimes becomes difficult to integrate an e-commerce software or website with the existing application or database. There could be software or hardware compatibility issues at some e-commerce software, may be incompatible with some operating system or any other component. Now, what is non-technical disadvantage? So, first, initial cost. The cost of creating, building an e-commerce application in-house many be very high. There could be delays in launching an e-commerce application due to mistake and lack of experience. Second, user resistance. User may not trust the site being an unknown faceless seller. Such mistrust make it difficult to convince traditional user to switch from physical store to online and virtual store. Security, privacy. It is difficult to ensure the security or privacy on online transaction. Lack of touch or feel of product during online shopping is a drawback. E-commerce applications are still evolving and changing rapidly. Internet access is still not cheaper and is inconvenient to use for many potential customers, for example, those living in remote area. So these are the advantage and the non-advantage in terms of customers, provider, services, and the disadvantage in terms of technical and the non-technical. So I have so in this video, you have any query, any doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Weather 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank